Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today's recipe is oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. This is a large recipe. It makes about 3 or 4 dozen cookies, so it's sure to fill your cookie jar to overflowing. So alright, let's get started with the recipe. So in a large mixing bowl, you'll add 1 cup of butter, then 1 cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of white sugar. Next, we'll add 2 eggs. Then mix all this together until it's well incorporated. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 3 cups of quick cooking oatmeal. Then take and mix that together until it's really well combined as well. Then add 1½ cups of flour and mix that together again. Then interestingly enough, there's 1 teaspoon of molasses. Make sure it's the fancy molasses so that it's sweet enough and not too strong. Then add 1 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Then stir that with your spoon so that you don't break up the chocolate chips. Now you can chill it in the fridge for about half an hour if you want, but you're going to be shaping them into small balls like this and just placing them about a couple of inches apart on a prepared cookie sheet that has parchment paper on it. Then I take and flour the bottom of a small measuring cup and pat them down so that they have a good shape. And even though they have chocolate chips in them, I add a couple of chocolate chips on top just for decoration. And then you place them in a 350-degree oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. And when they're done, they'll be slightly golden underneath like this. Now if you want to, you can also freeze them in an airtight container. But of course there's nothing like a cookie fresh out of the oven when the chocolate's still melted like this. Once again, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and thanks for watching.